Hey YouTube, I'm here to show you the portable solar generator that I built. I still love 18650s. A lot of people are getting away from them, but the weight of them and the power that I can get out of them are amazing. LifePo 4 is amazing too, but I still like my 18650s. This is a 200 amp hour 18650 7-cell battery. Built it out of a toolbox, a DeWalt toolbox, and this is better than a Bluetti or anything you can buy on Amazon or eBay or wherever you can buy it. I don't know. You know, for portable and be able to carry it. I have a 24 volt pass-through system here that I put, you know, I can hook to solar panels. And then I also have a 12 volt lighter socket here. I have an on-off remote switch for the inverter. I also have an on-off switch for 12 volts. I have a 12 volt outlet here. And then I have, you know, your basic, your 110. So I'll show you inside a little bit. I think it's really cool. I can't believe what they're selling, you know, out there. For your do-it-yourselfers, this is pretty much worth your time. I have a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter that I put in here. It actually holds up. I can't believe how well it holds up. For a month testing, it's pretty well. I had to put some vents on each side, so here's your intake vent, and then I had to put a external vent. I didn't have to change anything internally or anything. I have my 24 volt to 12 volt converter here I installed. Everything's fused. I also have a daily balancer built in. It's underneath the battery. But what I also attached was this little self checker here, this digital battery capacity checker, because it has this awesome little feature that I can balance the battery if it gets out of balance. It's a little out of balance now. I haven't really balanced it. I just wanted to show you something cool I built here. I've tried all the balancers. You know, it's pretty good, but it's built for more of, you know, bigger battery packs. I'm gonna make a video later on my 18650 battery pack I'm building here, and I've learned some stuff with the 18650s that maybe I can help some people with. I'm an electric car technician, but yeah, let me show you at work, I guess. You know, I just, you know, turn it on, and here's a 1500 watt, you know, heat gun here. You know, and turn around and maybe voltages and stuff. Fans are kicking on automatically. Self-enclosed, it doesn't overheat. It's all temperature controlled. Everything is. But to run a heat gun like this and be portable and walk around with it, it's pretty cool. I don't know. If you can do it yourself with a little bit of electrical stuff, I wouldn't spend my money on a solar generator for the price they want. They're horrible. I would build your own if you could. You know, this runs a 5,000 watt BTU air conditioner for 3.5 hours. Pretty well, you know. 3 hours, almost 3.5 hours. It's pretty well. Yeah. Just wanted to show you something cool I'm building.